What a transformation. Now this Toyota Celica has a brand new convertible top, and it completely changes the look of the car. The quality, the material, the precise installation, and attention to detail have restored the classic beauty and are now built to last for years to come. At JC Angel Upholstery, we specialize in convertible tops just like this one, custom interiors, headliners, leather seats, carpets, and complete automotive upholstery restorations. If your vehicle needs a fresh new look, we're here to help. Contact us for a free estimate and let us bring your project back to life.